Hello folks, and welcome to a new video, and thank you for checking out the channel again. Hope everybody's okay and looking forward to the summer. So today's job is about 3 or 4 jobs in one house, and it's end of tenancy job, so the house is empty, which is always a dream come true. You can just relax and do whatever you want. So the first job is to install a new bannister rail and stair spindles. New tenants have got children, so there's just currently nothing there at the moment, so it's a bit dangerous. And so the first job is to realign the 2 newel posts, because the top newel post has been fitted offset, and so that needs to be done first, and then we can start putting the base rail in and setting the big chunky 41mm spindles. Then we've got to fix the fence, realign the shed door, and last job would be to raise up the rear step. It's too low really. You're coming out of there with a tray of drinks, you're just going to trip over. So I've got some engineering bricks and some new 6x6 pavers, and so let's see how it unfolds. So this is the top newel post that needs moving over. Not really should have been. This should have been sort of on top to be able to receive the base rail. So first job is to move that over. It was pretty tricky getting this newel post off. All the holes were filled, and this was a really tricky job getting this off. I ended up having to recip saw through all the screws. So a bit of a journey getting that off. So I've beveled this up, sanded and filled it, and now I'm going to cut out a half lap on the stringer and get that fixed in place, and then we can do what we came to do. So just setting the first spindle here. I've measured the angle of the staircase and it's 44 degrees. So just setting the first spindle, and it has to be no less than 90 mil from the newel post and the subsequent spindles, so that a child can't get their head through. And then we have to measure the spaces that go in the rebase and the handrail, the underside of the handrail and the top of the base rail. So at 44 degrees, I measured this as being 115 mil, so I can set a stop on the chop saw and knock loads of them off, so it can be a production line.
So this one's to be 115.
So banister rail done, all the spindles are in, and it was a pretty tricky getting the other newel in place, but here it is, not looking too bad. Customers painting it, so they'll get that label off. So a little bit of filling to do, but not looking too bad. So now on to repairing the fence and the shed, and then last job is to reset some new pavers, raised up pavers for the back step, which is far too low. Okay, let's see how it goes.